Hi, I'm Seth with Priority Maintenance, and today we're going to be replacing a light switch. A few things that you'll need before you get started is your new light switch. You'll either need a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver, or a drill or impact. It makes it a little bit faster to do it that way. And you'll also need a pair of wire strippers. So first thing that you'll do is just remove the faceplate that's on here, and that's what you'll need your flathead for. Just set that off to the side because we'll be putting that back on. And then a lot of the times you can just go ahead and use your flathead here as well. Sometimes Phillips works better, so we're gonna go ahead and switch that. There you go. Let me pull that off the box. Stretch her out here just a little bit. And go ahead and loosen your screws on the sides, and those are just what are holding your wires down. You'll just pop that off. Now when you're doing this, a lot of people like to go ahead and go to the breaker box and turn off all the breakers while they're doing it so they don't get zapped. And we'll take our new one, we'll just go like for like. Same one that was on the top on the other one, put on the top on this one, and bottom on this one, on over. Then what you can do is actually get in here and you can crimp down your top wire a little bit, just grab the end and your wire, and give her a squeeze. Just to kind of get it to wrap around that screw a little bit. That just ensures that you're not going to have it short out on you. Tighten those back down. Now you also have a nut on this side for your ground, but with this being kind of an older building, there really isn't a ground here, so we're just going to go ahead and leave that one off. Push that back in. This one didn't have any screws on it, so we'll steal the screws from the last switch. Go ahead and screw that back down. And you want to go ahead and make this snug, but not extremely tight. Switch back over to my flathead. And when you're tightening down these face plates, you don't want to tighten them down too tight or else it will crack, and then you'll just have to take it off and put another one on there. But there you have it. That's replacing a light switch. Thanks for watching. Again, my name is Seth with Priority Maintenance. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss a single episode. Have a good one.